All right, Global Issues class. Congratulations. Uh, we have actually now finished our first major issue of I guess, the trimester, I guess. Um, and that first major issue was poverty. So we're transitioning today to our second major issue, which is actually going to be global warming slash climate change. All right. Now, those two terms are used kind of interchangeably. I think in most of the articles and handouts and videos that I'll have, it'll be called global warming. But just be aware if you hear the term climate change, really in general, the sources are probably talking about the same thing. Right? So global warming, climate change, same basic idea. So today is mainly going to be used to give you a foundational piece of some of the terms and ideas and potential ideas behind global warming. I don't want you to think that today is being presented as all fact, right? Like, oh, yep, this is happening. You can still debate that, right? I mean, this is a global issue that not everybody agrees on. But the point is, we can't really debate it if we don't know what we are potentially debating. So today, the idea is to educate you as to what is it that people are talking about when they're referring to global warming or climate change. All right, and so this is the foundational piece. Like, what is it? So that we can then argue whether it's happening and whether you believe in it and what the science says and all that. Now here's the deal. Then there are three major themes and questions that we are going to constantly be coming back to over the next 3 or 4 lessons. All right, that's going to be kind of the focus here. So first, right, which we'll unpack over the next few lessons is it happening? All right, so that's the first question you have to answer. Second question we're going to focus on is, okay, if it's happening, is it human caused? Right? I mean, are we as humans causing it? And then third, okay, even if it is human caused, is it any worse than the cycles of cooling and warming that the Earth has been going through for thousands and thousands of years? Okay, so those are the three questions. I'll repeat them again. First, is it happening? Second, if it's happening, are humans causing it? And third, okay, if humans are causing it, is it any worse than the potential cycles that the Earth has been going through in its history? All right, so those are the three things that we're going to unpack over the next few lessons. We'll obviously look at science and data on each side of the issue, and then obviously we'll let you make the ultimate decision as to what you believe. So that's the task in front of you today, is to begin to unpack the basic terminology and basic idea of what people are saying and referring to when they use the term global warming.